Oh, these donuts, and they're mine, mine, all mine. You will be safe in here, my beauties. Safe and sound. Hello, Joshua of Green Mountain Mech Works. And here we are in Subnautica Mech Quest. Our desire to make as many prawn suits as possible. We're in the boring stages of running around, gathering up stuff, and waiting for the Aurora to explode. Whenever it does. That explodes in about an hour, and it might explode by the end of this episode, I don't know. But last time we upset a bunch of barracudas by talking about the L word, lips. They know! Run for it! And they ate me, and I got killed by an exploding Ugandan Knuckles in the caves. And it was here. Yeah, look, here's some of the delicious things I dropped. Tasty. Oh, what timing that was. Anyway. Get some more delicious things, I guess, and try to be on the lookout from the exploding Knuckles. Titanium. Titaniums and lithiums and a right glowing mass. Wait, there's no lithiums up here. I'm getting ahead of myself, aren't I? Oh god! No, I said lithiums, I swear! Lithium! Lithium! Jeez. Those barracudas, they do not like, I think, anything with the letter L in it. Oh, I tell you. They're very rude. I'm trying to make a video here. Can't you be quiet for 1 second? Oh god. I'm sorry. Anywho. Maybe I'm gonna try to make a habitat builder or something this episode. That would be nice. Have a place to live besides in number 5 is alive. Because then we can maybe start scoping out an area to start making the massive field of mechs and the prawn suits. Hey, maybe we could get a peeper to pilot a prawns. That'd be awesome. And we can go over the weeds.
Oxygen.
Oh, I need air. Honestly, what the hell? You're flying... some sort of flying... Oh god, get away from me! I didn't say anything to do with lips! Go away! They want my lips. I don't know why. Oh god, what was that? Something bumped the ship. I think they want my sexy, sexy lips. Well, you can't have them. They're my lips. All mine. Ooh, that looked a little high on the waveform. Sorry. RIP earphone users. Still need gold. I wonder where that is. I guess I can wander around until I get some. Ooh, yes. Fancy. Now I can see. I can see clearly now. My brain has gone. Wait. I don't think that's how the song went. Anyway. What cool gadgets can I build? Flares. A flashlight would be nice, but I'd have to dig into my donut supply. And I like my donuts. That might be useful since I keep forgetting that I need air. Maybe I'll go get some more donuts so I can make some batteries. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Nope. Closed. Yeah, I guess I'll make it also make a waterproof locker. That way a piss fish doesn't piss in my Cheerios. There we go. shoot down right there, I guess. And we'll just throw a bunch of crap in there. There we go. Yeah. What do I need for habitat build right now? No, wait. Priorities. Get the donuts. Make some batteries for the flashlight. Because I'm too lazy to go wherever it is and find the sea moth. No, not sea moth. Sea god, there. Sea moth is later. Anywho. There we go. Hooray, a battery. Whoa.
New blueprint acquired.
Flashlight? Yeah, sure. Explore the dark caves without the sea moth. Pardon.
Warning. Local radiation readings suggest
Here we
the
go.
Aurora's drive core has reached critical state. Quantum detonation will occur within 2 hours.
Is that all? Oh, I thought it was going to be much worse. Oop. Wait. Darn it. Should have saved that mushrooms for the thingy. Let's see if I can get some more coppers. Here you are. Where's titaniums? Get another donut. Come here, donut. I want the pink donut. But it's not pink, it's lightish red, don't you know? In we go. Turn over and make the battery. There we go. Make batteries so I can make this scanner and we can go learning all the things. Learn everything.
The scanner can be used to synthesize blueprints from salvage technology and to record alien biological data.
That sounds helpful. Yep, hold on. Where'd that piss fish go? Oh. Well, as long as we don't give the secret of lips to the barracudas, I think we'll be all set, I think. Oh god, they even heard that! Ha ha ha! They want my sexy, sexy lips. Don't look at the flashlight, you derp! Don't you know you can blind yourself? What's that bleepy noise? Anyway. There we go, go past some of these rock lips. They're not all for now. Don't really need it. I guess we'll head towards the... yeah, that. Whatever it's called. You can read. Don't expect me to read everything for you. What am I, an audiobook narrator? Although I have been tempted to make an audiobook, but no. No, bad Joshua. One thing at a time. Ooh. This must have been an ear trumpet for a very large old person. With multiple ears. Well, at least there's no exploding knuckles in there. If I could scramble it, maybe, but... it's all green. Oh, what's this? Lead. Oh, does that mean I can draw with pencils now? Sounds exciting.
Congratulations, Survivor. You have exceeded your weekly exercise quotient by 500%. Data indicates that swimming was your favorite activity. Be sure to vary your routine for uniform muscle development.
No, I want to have these gigantic legs that are as thick as my torso and little itty bitty T-Rex arms. Because that is a peak male performance. Looks like. That is what peak male performance looks like. A T-Rex. Unless you get to eat raw steak. Yum yum. Okay, up for air and... oh, there. Go around scanning things. Like this. Random bit of garbage. What secrets do you hold, garbage? Wow. It was once hot garbage, but now it's cold garbage. And it's still owned by Altera. I didn't know they were so obsessed about their garbage. Oh, the blue butthole. And the purple butthole. Oh, donut. And I like donuts. Donuts. Check out that glowy bit after I get some fresh air. What's in here? Hello? Anybody home? I've come to take all your cool shit. Give it to me. Thank you. Oh, no, my flashlight. Give me that shit. It's mine, mine, all mine. Ooh, give me those grapes. Because I like grapes. It's quiet. Why is it suddenly so quiet? Oh no. Are the barracudas sneaking up on me to steal my lips? And if they are, I'm going to have to poke them with my knife. Pretty good, eh? And, oh, 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 oh. Well, that's one piece. Where is this second piece? It better have stashed around here somewhere, or I'm going to be upset. Oh, PDA. Oh. Now we can go looking through all their search history and know what weird stuff they're into. Maybe they're my kind of people. Radio. Who cares about radio? We gotta look through some search history. What's that? What is that? What is that? What is that? It's a ping pong fish. He can play ping pong really well. Give Forrest Gump a run for his money. Oh, a rock. What is in this rock? You'll find out.
Silver-based wiring kits are an essential component of many habitat modules.
Thank you. Sounds very fancy. No, I didn't say anything about lips. Leave me alone. Garbage. No! My lips are mine. There are many like them, but they are mine. My lips. My lips. Oh God, what is that? I guess it's a lionfish. Oh, air, quick!
Oxygen.
Air, save me! I do not want to die. Where'd my house go? Oh, there you are. It's over half a click away. How'd I get so far?
Short-range scans suggest this biome supports extensive biodiversity.
Oh, does it?
And connects to a number of small cave networks.
That's helpful. Oh God, he scared me for a sec. It's just a fart fish. Oh, we'll leave the fart fish alone. And I'll pick up some more garbage, I guess. Oh. I won't mention the L word. Just slowly swim away. Slowly, slowly, with great difficulty, swim away. Man, it takes so long to get anywhere. Maybe it's just because I'm in the forest, all the vines are sticking to me. Which is weird because they make a lube, so you'd think you'd be able to get through them a lot easier. Oh well. Keep going. Keep swimming. Go, go, go. How did I get so far away? How does that make sense? It's because I went through that large hearing trumpet. Oh well. gold for the habitat builder, don't I? Maybe. I forgot. Oh, bunny fish. I'll have to try a bunny fish sometime. They're probably quite tasty. All some pepper in it. Who's making all that beeping sounds? What was that? Someone was singing. This is a very weird planet. Oh well. Not like I'm going back. I'm staying here. This is gonna be my home. Screw you, Altera. This is my planet now. You'll have to pry it from my cold, dead hands. Well, just so long as I don't mention that word. You see that? You turned right around when I said the lip word. Very weird barracudas. Here we are, home sweet home. Let's see what's doing. Right. Hello.
This is Avery Quinn of Trading Ship Sunbeam. Aurora, do you read? Over.
Hello.
Nothing but vacuum. These Altera ships.
Nope.
They run low on engine grease, send an SOS, you offer to help, they don't pick up.
Yeah, we're assholes.
Aurora, I'm out on the far side of the system. It's gonna take more than a week to reach your position. Do you still need our assistance? Over.
No, go away.
I'll try them again tomorrow. Damn charter's gonna have us blowing our credits running errands for Altera. See what the long-range scans pick up in the meantime.
Go away. I don't like you. You smell like cheese. Anyway. What do I need to get again? Not useful. Habitat builder. Computer chip, wiring kit, battery. What is that? Oh! Ooh, I gotta see this.
Emergency. A quantum detonation has occurred in the Aurora's drive core. The reactor will reach a supercritical state in T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom! That wasn't a reactor explosion. Someone just had gas.
The radiation source has been added to your blueprint.
Whoever smelt it, dealt it. So I guess that makes it me. Oh well. I guess that's a good place to leave off. We angered the barracudas by talking about lips. We got some more stuff. We did not get blown up by Ugandan Knuckles fish. We got a flashlight. We got a scanner. Now we just gotta find the golds and the bits to make a habitat builder. We can start building the ultimate prawn base. And then we can go in there and scan some prawn parts. So, this is me, Joshua, with Green Mountain Mech Works. If you like what you see here, be sure to like the video and subscribe. Ring the little bell if you want to get annoyed every time I take a poop. And check out some of the stuff I have going on in the description below. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.